Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the Bluetooth pairing issues on your MARSHALL Tufton speaker. At first you have to go into the settings. Here you have to go into connected devices and scroll all the way down to the connection preferences. Here tap Bluetooth. On the iPhone, go to settings and then Bluetooth. Here, disable Bluetooth. I was connected to the speaker, so that's why I've disconnected now, but you won't hear anything. Now, turn off your speaker by sliding the volume slider to the 0 here. You should hear a click. Now your speaker is turned off. After 10 or 20 seconds, you can turn on our speaker back again and turn on the Bluetooth back again. Now we should be able to connect, but if you still can't connect, you have to contact device support because your device may be broken. But of course, before that you can do a hard reset. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!